everyone, so in this video today I will be teaching guys watching how to connect your Samsung A03 to your Samsung TV. So the hack that we'll be using is called screen mirroring. So basically a screen mirroring is when you're using your phone and you go to your settings or just open this tab, and from here you can click on screen mirroring, and if you have your TV on, it will appear with the name of Samsung TV or smart TV, etc., etc. Simply click on that, then it will ask the permission of the TV. Then you can grant it by the access with the remote and just simply click on OK, and then you can whatever you do on your phone will automatically be displayed on your TV. And this is how you can easily connect your Samsung A03 to your Apple to your Samsung TV. But please keep in mind that the process will be the same, so please don't worry and don't overthink that I have done this demonstration on iOS. How will you do it on a Samsung? The process is same. The screen mirroring tab will be alone, such as it was for me. So yeah, this is how you can easily do it. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Yeah, that's how you can connect your Samsung TV to your Samsung A03 iPhone.